Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions, your tech guide. Do you want to install GrubCustomizer on Ubuntu 22.04? With GrubCustomizer you can configure various aspects of the Grub bootloader. You can edit kernel parameters and also change the boot time delay to boot from the default entry. Let's see how to install it on Ubuntu Jammy build. Open Terminal app on your Ubuntu. Do an apt update including upgrade. Add the GrubCustomizer PPA repository. Do an apt update once again. Install GrubCustomizer using apt. You can exit terminal now and may start GrubCustomizer from the Applications menu. You may start using it for making your desired changes. You can see the list of installed kernels. You can adjust the general boot parameters. You can also modify the Grub appearance settings. Drop your comments about this video. Thanks for watching.